Hello everyone, let's move ahead. Here we have started dividing our hair into two sections and then taking some hair and applying a rubber band on the top. Then we're gonna take some hair along with the ponytail again and again and applying these beautiful colorful rubber bands on them. Then we're gonna fold it out once. After that, you can see we are going to take the remaining hair along with the ponytail and making a braid with that, thereby folding it into half. Let's move ahead. Here we're gonna start off by taking some hair from the front and making two ponytails, then joining them along with the rest of the hair from that side, and then using these ribbons we are going to make a braid and then folding it out into a simple braid, and you can see your simple hairstyle is completed. Next, we're going to start off by taking this ponytail at the back, leaving some hair untied at the bottom, and then converting the untied hair into a simple braid by using some rubber bands, joining it with the ponytail, further converting the ponytail into a simple round shape bun and securing it with this. And then you can see a simple beautiful hairstyle is completed. Next, we're gonna start by taking all of the hair and converting a high ponytail. After that, we are going to apply some grease on it, and then we are going to take a space in the rubber band, then folding the hair along with that like this. After that, you can see we are going to convert all of the hair into a simple shape bun. You can even apply some clips or clutches to it if you want to make it look more good and attractive.